Here we have number 2. This deals with the product of a power property. This states that when you multiply two variables, the exponents will add. So here you see it's x to the third times x to the 8. It becomes x to the 11th power because you add the exponents. So same thing here. It's x to the fourth next to an x to the third. Please understand that it's attached via multiplication. So it's going to be x of 4 plus 3, which is going to be x to the 7th power. B, it's essentially the same way, but you see how there's a number in front? So separate it. So you can take a look at this as 4 times x to the 5th times x to the negative 4th times z. And we notice that the variables here, when they multiply, we add. So 5 plus negative 4. All right, nothing happens to the 4, nothing happens to that z. So it's x to the first power. There's a 4 in front, attached via multiplication. Then z, so you can write this as just 4xz. Same thing with c here. This is attached via multiplication. So separate by the numbers. So here I have the numbers 2 times negative 5. Then I have the variables x to the 7th times x to the 4 times z to the 5. Let's do 2 times negative 5. That becomes negative 10. Here the exponents will add 7 plus 4. And then you have z to the 5th power. Okay? So we have a negative 10 in front. Then we have x to 7 plus 4 is 11. Then z to the 5th power. There you go.